crack your neck with a Teflon turtleneck. Bitch, there ain't a diesel cat that could face me. You don't really wanna run your mouth and have to make me summon the gods with my mystery chant and perform the running man for my victory dance. Murder motherfuckers mostly over money with guns to their tummy. Hollow tends to leave you stiffer than a mannequin. Dummy, record a demo while the demigods make new songs. You're better off running the triathlon with parachutes on. A real bug nigga, and that's how I'm better known. You make beats, I'd rather rhyme to a metronome. Other crews got egos but can't floss right. I'll run them over, have them smoking the exhaust pipe.
Already proved that all my rhymes are wicked enough. They sleep when you on the mic, you're fucking Jigglypuff. A big kid, yeah, fuck, I don't wanna grow up. And I don't care what he says, yo, he could suck a, know what? I'm bigger than that. He's mad when you kicking my raps. There's conversations with your girl while she sits on my lap. Yo, stop talking about they girls, man, it's starting to get old. Well, no, tell the girls to stop leaving they clothes. The reason I